So it's about time we got the Fiero finished, but what do we need to do to get it finished? Maybe not as important as some things, but one of the next things is going to be suspension. So we have full KYB shocks and struts, and we have Ibach lowering springs for it, which will it help it handle better? Maybe, maybe not. It already handles well considering it has it'll have KYB shocks and struts, which will be better than what it already has. Which it has aftermarket struts, but they're just kind of slightly better than stock off of eBay. But it does have full aluminum body bushings and polyurethane bushings all the way around, so it has all new bushings. But it'll get it lower and make it sit a little bit nicer. It'll handle better, and this will be a lot. After that, we got to get our fuel situation figured out. So we've got a new fuel filter, fuel pump, because the current one kind of overheats really quickly. That's the main problem that I have with this car, is after driving it for about 30 minutes is it starts killing itself because the fuel pump can't deliver the amount of fuel it needs, and it overheats doing it. Very concerning, because it's a actually pretty decently rated fuel pump, and it's new, brand new, so I'm not sure why that is, but it is what it is. To go with that, we have new Evil Energy fuel lines. So on top of the new fuel pump and fuel filter, we'll have new fuel lines, just to really get it running right and running how we want. This is probably more priority, but figuring out how to fab this up, as we've seen, it doesn't fit on the Fiero like it should. It just doesn't quite work. The holes don't at all line up. This is in fine condition as far as I can tell, but the bumper itself is not. And then we have this really not good condition hood with exposed fiberglass. The paint's bad. It's also just in bad shape as it is beyond the paint. The paint's the least of the worries, but I thought about replacing it, but that's not an easy thing to find. Fiero hoods are hard to come by. Fiero parts of any kind are hard to come by, especially parts like the hood. So we're gonna repair the fiberglass, primer it, get it painted, and try and color match it. Just gonna paint it, and hopefully we can get this thing ready just to drive. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the car yet. I have lots of plans for the future, but I don't know about this car. I don't have many plans besides what I have here. Once it's done, it's probably going to go to someone else. Probably going to sell it, see what I can get out of it, and start something new. I've really enjoyed working on the car, and I've learned a lot with it, and really it was a really good introduction to the world of project cars. It was my first one and first cool car. Whether you agree or disagree, I don't care. And it's a Pontiac Fiero, one of my favorite cars ever manufactured. The Fiero and the Corvette. I'm just a GM guy by heart. But I don't know. Let me know what you think.